Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today we're gonna do some stuffed serrano peppers, and I tell you, they are absolutely delicious. So let's get started, okay? And what I'm gonna do is just add a little salt to the bottom of these peppers. What I did, let me just back up just a little bit. When you cut the peppers, just lay the pepper down just to see how it's gonna stand up on a plate. And just cut that much off of the peppers. See that? I took out all the seeds out. Might be one or two in there, but hey, that makes the dish more exciting. So what I'm gonna do is add a little salt to the bottom of the serrano, because when you get ready to eat them, you can pick them up with the stem. Okay. Adding a little salt at the bottom. Okay. Adding the pepper. Now, if you think that this does not matter when you stuff in a pepper with whatever you're gonna stuff it with, you are totally wrong, because these little spices that I'm adding to the bottom is gonna make it taste even better. I'm adding some cumin to the bottom of it. So I'm gonna push them together because I'm gonna bake them in the oven on this tray, on this plate. I'm gonna add a little garlic in the bottom. I need to stay out of the camera. Okay, there's the garlic and a little basil. Basil always make everything taste better. Just a little bit. I'm just about a half a teaspoon of basil in the bottom of each one. Okay. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the cheese that I'm gonna use to stuff the peppers with. Okay, so you take one piece of cheese and you want to kind of make it small so that you can really stuff it in there. I usually place 2 of them in there, but cut them on the small size. I'm gonna cut it in half. I'm gonna add it to this pepper here. And serrano peppers are not really that spicy, especially when you remove all of the seeds out of it. Okay, got that one. When you on the keto diet, it's like party time, like I'm catering instead of just making dinner. But I have all of the necessary vegetables. I eat a lot of vegetables, not just meat and cheese, but a lot of vegetables, a lot more than I did when I was not on the keto diet. Okay, nope, this one kind of fell off the tray. It fell off the pepper. Okay, all right, got them. Let's see, maybe you like to be turned around that way. Okay, all right, I'm gonna place them in the oven at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. Okay, let me take them to the... I gotta taste one. I know they're hot. Oh, I probably shouldn't. They're too hot right now, but they taste delicious. I'm gonna burn my tongue. I better wait. I can't show you right now. This is definitely too hot. I said I was gonna taste this. So I am gonna taste it. Ooh, this is stuck together. Cheesy, so cheesy. Ooh, yummy. Mmm. 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 Oh, so good. Oh, so good. Mmm. I can taste the salt and pepper and seasoning that I put in the inside of the pepper, which makes it taste so good. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, cheese is so crunchy. Mmm. 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 The pepper's not spicy at all. So good. Mm. If you like this recipe, like, share, and subscribe, and comment on the recipe. I love to talk to you. All right? Have a wonderful day.